In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a data refresh timestamp to a view in a dashboard in Tableau. If you've been wondering how to keep your dashboard users informed about the latest data updates, you'll find this tutorial incredibly useful. So, grab your laptop, open your Tableau app, and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application on your computer. From here, navigate to the worksheet you want to update. This will be the central area where most of your actions take place during this tutorial. Once you're in your worksheet, look at the top menu bar and click on Worksheet. This menu often houses many essential options you'll need when customizing your views in Tableau. Now before we proceed, ensure that the Show Title option is checked. You can do this by revisiting the Worksheet menu and confirming there's a check next to Show Title. This step might sound basic, but it's crucial for making any changes visible. Assuming the title is visible, right-click on the sheet's title. A context menu will appear, and from there select Edit Title. This brings up the title text editor, which is where you'll add your timestamp. Once you're inside the text editor, find the Insert button and click on it. You'll see several options here, but what you need to do is select Data Update Time. This action inserts a placeholder for the update time directly under the sheet name. It's important to confirm that this order is maintained. Having the update time appear in the wrong section might confuse your viewers. After confirming that everything looks good, click OK to apply the changes. Heading back to the worksheet menu for a moment, you should now check Show Caption. This step is similar to what you did with the title, but it works with the caption instead. Next, find the drop-down menu on the Caption field and then click Edit Caption. Repeat the insertion process by choosing Insert, followed by selecting Data Update Time. Once again, confirm this in the caption and click OK. For a finishing touch, and this is optional based on what data you're working with, you might want to add a field to your worksheet to further clarify your data set. Something like a profit field can be dragged into the drop field on the sheet, offering more context for your viewers. And there you have it. Your view in the dashboard should now display the data refresh time, ensuring that anyone looking at it knows exactly how current the information is. This not only enhances transparency, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your visualizations. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more walkthroughs like this one. Happy visualizing!